5-star hotel with pools, private beach, full-service spa. Catch some rays on Xanadu Resort Hotel's private sand beach, or spend the day relaxing at the full-service spa. Then enjoy a meal at one of the hotel's 7 restaurants. Xanadu Resort Hotel offers 421 air-conditioned accommodations with free minibar items and minibars. Rooms open to furnished balconies. Beds feature premium bedding. Satellite television is provided. Bathrooms include bathrobes, slippers, complimentary toiletries, and hairdryers. This Sarek hotel provides complimentary wireless internet access. Business-friendly amenities include safes and phones. Additionally, rooms include complimentary bottled water and coffee tea makers. Housekeeping is provided daily. A private beach, 2 outdoor tennis courts, and a complimentary water park with water slides are featured at the hotel. 3 outdoor swimming pools are on site along with an indoor pool. In addition to a children's pool, other recreational amenities include a sauna and a fitness center. The recreational activities listed below are available either on site or nearby. Fees may apply.